What is that? Okay, here we are at Kigali Memorial Center with Stuart Anderson there, looking sexy. That's Nkem, as charming as ever, looking beautiful. And that's Edo. Have you ever seen such a cool, calm collector and a sexy guy?
Oh, hallelujah.
And of course, the daddy of them all. The daddy of them all. That's the daddy. Now we're all here at Kigali Memorial Center in Kigali, showing them the sites, and the Memorial Center here is where we have 258,000 bodies buried, and they're here to see the atrocities of the genocide, learn about the genocide and what happened in Rwanda in 1994. We're standing right in front of one of the burial slabs where you can see the open coffin. They have about 200-300 bodies in each section, and there's a huge section here. I can see the whole slab. That's one big coffin, and there are hundreds of coffins in there. And like I said, there are a total of 250,000 bodies buried here.